Okay, in this video, I'm going to do a series of videos on geometric constructions because the new 15th edition of the Chatt-Tech textbook doesn't have some of them in it that we still want to use and want you to learn. So this first one here is on transferring an angle to a new location, and so I've got an angle here with lines AB and AC. And I want to copy this angle into a new location and then rotate it. And so this is I'm going to show you how we would do this with paper and instruments. In AutoCAD, it's relatively easy. You just copy it and move it and rotate it. You know, it's pretty easy. Well, I've got my two line segments, and I take a compass and I draw an arc of any size. The radius doesn't matter, as long as it crosses both of those lines. And I'm going to say where it crosses right here, I'm going to call that point E. Now I just pick my compass up and move it over to my new line, to my new location, and I draw the same radius arc. Nothing has changed in the size of this, okay? Now I take my compass and I go back and I put it at point E, and I adjust it to where it intersects line AC. And I want the distance, I want that arc length, okay? The chord of that arc where that crosses right there. And so I set my compass to that size, move it over to my new location here, draw a little arc, and then take a straight edge and connect those points together. And so that would give me line C prime. And so now what I've done is I've copied this angle to a new location at a new orientation. And just reviewing that, I draw one arc from here to point E, any size, doesn't matter, across both lines, and I transfer that arc to a new location. And then I come back and I set my compass to the chord length of that arc and transfer that to my new location. And where the two arcs intersect, that gives me the new side of the angle.